Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Magento 2 email marketing plugin. Now this particular plugin allows the web store admin to create and manage email templates, customer tags, audiences and campaigns depending on the need of the business there. The subscribers will receive emails as per the requirement there, and the admin can create multiple templates for email marketing and can send them to the customers as per the requirement. The admin can even create campaigns for sending the emails to the subscribers there. So all in all, this particular plugin helps the admin to create campaigns. The admin can manage the audiences. Multiple customer tags can be created by the admin. The admin can send marketing emails to multiple customers, and the customers will get emails when they subscribe to the what we say as the email marketing mails there. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of this particular plugin at the customer's end and at the admin's end. So at the customer's end, we'll be seeing how the customers can subscribe to the newsletters or the email marketing mails, and how the admin can view the subscribed customers under the audience section in the admin backend panel. Apart from that, we'll also be seeing how the admin can create the tags for the customers and assign the tags to the subscribed users in the admin backend panel by navigating to the audience section. How the admin can create email templates that would be used while creating a campaign, and how to create a campaign for the subscribed customers, and how to set up the cron that would be used to send the subscription mails or the email marketing mails to the customers there. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial there, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So let's see first of all how the customers can subscribe to the newsletters or the email marketing mails, and how the admin can view the subscribed customers under the audience section in the admin backend panel. So whenever a new user comes to your website and he tries to create a new customer account, at that time he can sign up for the newsletter here by selecting this up. Or if you're already a registered user within the store, then you can visit the store and you can enter your email address here, and you can tap on the subscribe button to subscribe to the email marketing mails there. So in both ways you can do the same. And for example, here I'm subscribing to the newsletters, and then I can tap here on the create an account button. My account would be created and I would be subscribed to the email marketing mails as well. Apart from that, if you are a registered user, you can log into your account panel and you can go to the newsletter subscription section, and here you can subscribe to the email marketing mails by clicking this general subscription option and tapping on the save button thereafter. After you subscribe to newsletter subscription, you will receive one email confirming the same on your email address. And here's the example for the same, that you have successfully subscribed to our newsletter there. And now let's go back. Now after you have learned how the customers can subscribe to the newsletters or the email marketing mails, let's see how the admin can view the subscribed customers under the audience section in the admin backend panel. For that, let me take you to the admin backend panel of the Magento 2, and let's log into the admin backend panel by entering the username, password and tapping on the sign in button. Now after the successful installation of this particular plugin, that's the Magento 2 email marketing plugin, you'll find one side panel option in the admin backend panel that would be named as email marketing, and under that you'll have four different options. One is the campaign to create the campaigns, audience to view the particular subscribed audience, let me click that up, email templates to create the email templates that would be used under the campaigns. While you're creating a campaign, you can select the email templates that you've already created, and you can create the customer tags under the customer tags. So you can tag your customers as premium customers, silver customers, as per your requirement there, and the customer tags would then be used under the campaigns as well for selection to the particular what we say as the customers to whom you want to send the email, what we say as the email marketing mails there. So first of all, let's see how the admin can view the subscribed customers under the audience section. So let's tap here on the audience section, and here you can see that here we have the first name, last name, email type, email marketing, subscribed or unsubscribed, tags, an action column to edit or delete the particular customers there. Let's go back to the audience section. Now here's the customer that we have just registered, that's Smith Doe, and the email is there. The type is customer. He's subscribed to the email marketing mails there, and we have not assigned any tags to this particular customer right now. Now let's see first how the admin would be able to create the tags for the customers, and then we'll see how the admin would be able to assign the tags to the subscribed users in the admin backend panel by navigating to the audience section once again and tapping on the edit button there. So first let's see how we can create a customer tag. So for that we'll navigate through email marketing and customer tag, and here you can see a particular list of customer tags that you've already created. To create more tags, you can tap here on the add new customer tag, or if you want to edit or delete any particular tag, you can choose the edit or delete option under the actions column for the respective tag there. So to add a new tag, what you need to do is you just need to tap here on the add new customer tag, and that will bring up the new customer tag section. Let's set it as gold customer, and then let's tap here on the save customer tag, and the particular tag would be saved and would be listed here as you can see. So we have premium customer, silver customer, gold customer, and from here we can edit or delete the particular customer tag that we have created as per our requirement. So if I want to edit it, I can tap here on the edit button, and I can change the name of the tag label there, and I can tap here on the save customer tag to save the particular changes to that particular tag that we have tried to edit. We can also delete any one by choosing the delete option for the respective tags there. So this was how the admin would be able to create the tags for the customers. And now let's see how the admin would be able to assign the tags to the subscribed users in the admin backend panel by navigating to the audience section once again. So let's go to, so under the customer tags, we have created the customer tags. Now let's go to the audience section where we can find the complete list of subscribed users for our email marketing mails. And let's tap here on the edit button to assign a particular tag to this Smith Doe, who has registered there for the email marketing. As you can see here, we have subscribed option for the email marketing. So I'll tap here on the edit option, and this would redirect us to the particular customer information section as you can see. So here we are on the Smith Doe customer information page. Here we'll go to the newsletter section, and you can see that the customer is subscribed to the newsletters there, and we can see the subscribed on which particular store has the customer subscribed and the last subscribe date. And here we have the email marketing tags that we can assign. So here you can see that the tags that we get created, premium, silver and gold, are visible. So we can choose as per our own requirement there. For example, let's assign these three tags to this particular customer, and let's tap here on the save customer thereafter. So we have saved the customer and assigned the tags to the particular customer. Now let's navigate through email marketing and audience. And under audience, you can see that under tags, now we have assigned premium customer, silver customer and gold customer tag to Smith Doe with this particular email address there. So this was about how we can create the customer tags, but initially I showed you how we can subscribe to the email marketing mails by navigating to the newsletter subscription section of the registered customers and going to the general subscription and checking this option. Or if you have not logged into the customer account there, but you are a registered user within the store, then you can directly enter your email address and you can subscribe to the newsletters as well as per the requirement there by going to this particular footer section that you can see here on your screens right now. Apart from that, at the time of registration as well, you can subscribe to the email marketing mails there. And then I showed you how we can create the customer tags. But before that, I showed you the audience section wherein we can find the complete list of audiences or the customers who have subscribed to our email marketing campaign there. And then let's see how we can create the email templates that would be used under the campaigns thereafter. So let's go to the email template section. So under the email templates, here you'll find the complete list of email templates that you've already created. You can see the template name, their status, the type, the updated at, and you have the edit and delete option for the respective email template that you have created. So to create a new template, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the new template button, and that will bring up this particular section wherein you can set the template status as enabled or disabled, set the template name, template subject, choose the template type, whether it's an hypertext markup language or the text only. Then you can choose to show or hide the editor here, and here you can set up the template content that you want to set up, and you can set up the template style as well. You can also preview the template by tapping here on the preview template button option that we have. So for now, let's go back. So I have already created one template here, so let's edit that up and let's see what information I've entered within the same. So I've enabled the template, I've set the template name as test template, I've chosen the template subject as offer for premium customers, it's an HTML1 template, and here we have the template content, and if you want you can set up the template style as well. So after entering these details for the template information, you need to tap here on this save template button to save the particular template, and the template will be saved and will be listed under the email template section here. So that was about the email template, how we can create an email template. Now let's go to the campaign section and let's see how we can create a campaign there and how we can send the email marketing mails to the customers using the cron setting as well. So here you can see that I've created a few campaigns already. A test campaign is there and a hurry up campaign is there. So we can edit or delete any of the created campaigns as per our requirement there. To add a new campaign, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the add new campaign button, and that will bring up the new campaign section having the general information section, and here we have the report section as well. There's no data for the new campaign because we have not sent out the new email marketing mails using this particular campaign that we are going to create. So after we have created the campaign, only after that we can see the report data as well for the campaigns there. So under the general section we have the basic information, target audience, and the schedule option. Under the basic information you have to set the campaign status as enabled, choose the campaign name, the campaign subject. From the template section you have to choose the template that you have created. So we had created the test template, you have to select that up. Then we have the target audience, so here you can choose for which store view the target audience would be selected. The customer groups for which the target audience would be there, so you can choose the customer group, and from here you can choose the tags of the customers as well to whom you want to send the new campaign that you're going to create. And then you have to set up the schedule, whether the schedule type is once you want to send the email marketing mails to the customers once, you can choose the schedule date, and the frequency. The frequency is the number or the batches in which the mails would be sent out. So for example, if I set it as 5, then 5 customer matches would be created, and the at the scheduled date the particular email marketing mails would be sent out to the respective customers in batches there. So for now I've already created a new campaign there, a test campaign is there and a hurry up campaign is there. Let's edit it up. So here you can see we have a report section and a general section. So here we have enabled the basic what we say as under the basic information, we have enabled the campaign status, we have set the campaign name, campaign subject, the template has been chosen, the store view for the target audience has been selected, customer group for the target audience, the tags have been selected for the target audience, and we have scheduled it as per the requirement there and set this frequency as 5 there. And thereafter we have tapped on the save campaign button to save the campaign. So whenever the schedule has been set up, at that time the email marketing mails for this campaign that we have created would be sent out to the customers on their registered email addresses there. So yes, that was much about the particular plugin. That's the Magento 2 email marketing plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.